Sheila Smeltzer, President A+ Pro Services, where we clean everything exterior and anything glass as a pro. Today we're going to beast the ladder, and what I mean by beasting the ladder is that we're going to carry this thing. We need these ladders to do our jobs. We got to be safe. Now that we have the ladder in position, we're on nice level ground. We want to make sure that we have the proper ladder angle. And to do that, the best rule of thumb is you put both feet at the base of the ladder, you reach your arms straight out. And if I've got my arms straight out, then I know that my ladder is a good, safe angle. Now that my ladder is at a safe angle, I'm ready to climb. So here we go. We need to have 3 points of contact at all times. That's 1, 2, and 3. I have a free hand to work, and now I can climb. Thank you for watching. I'm Sheila Smeltzer, A+ Pro Services.